Sa unang-unang hapon, di ba, inanunsyo nyo na silbi ng subpoena ang CIDG para kay Senator Bato. Ngayon po ba, can you confirm kung na-serve na yung subpoena niya?
Regarding investigation of the facts and circumstances surrounding the alleged EJ case in Davao Region, based on the House of Representatives Quad Committee hearings and the revelations made in public interviews by SOT Arturo Castañas. Reference number 2026-LD-259. Subpoena Duces Tecum. Honorable Ronald Bato Marapon de la Rosa, Senator, room 516 and 11 in the GSIS Building Financial Center, Block 27, Lot 6, Monterits Subdivision, Barangay Magon, Davao City, Davao del Sur, and or Barangay Bato, Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. Greetings. By virtue of the authority vested in me by Republic Act number 10973, you are hereby directed to appear on May 14, 2028 at 10 a.m. before Police Lieutenant Colonel Jerome J. Barganton, Officer in Charge, Major Crimes Investigation and Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, located at Camp Rafael Crame, Quezon City, and then therefore clarify matters, execute a sworn affidavit, submit documents and or other relevant information in connection with the subject investigation being conducted by this group. Failure to comply without adequate cause or valid justification shall be ground in the filing of our case for indirect contempt of court against you under Rule 71, Revised Rules of Court in relation to Section 1 of RA 10973. Ordered, signed by Robert A. Morico, Police Major General Director, CIDG.
So yan po ay nasilbi na?
Yes, it has been served in his office and his residence.
Sir, nakalagay kasi doon na kung hindi siya magpapakita, meron provision doon na indirect contempt?
Yes, direct contempt.
Okay. Pero si Senator Bato po is sa Senado nga po hindi nagpapakita eh. Ano pa kaya sa CID?
Well, sa Senado naman is an obligation but not compulsory. Pwede naman sila mag-leave, pwede di pumasok. Di ba na discretion na yun? But this is a direct subpoena sa kanya.
Sa publiko pong nagtatanong, ano po bang gusto nyong ma-achieve? Sorry?
Okay lang. First step natin to eh. Yung ini-investigate kasi ang EJK, walang maglabas ng mga data tungkol sa mga nangyari. For example, ang Bulacan, in-erase lahat ng records. In-erase lahat yan. Metro Manila, marami mga substation, yung mga cause of death, in-erase nila. Diba? So this is the first step in determining kung bakit gano'n na nangyari nung panahon na yun.
Again, wala po kinalaman sa ICC. Ito.
Walang kinalaman sa ICC. Okay, but let me clarify. Okay? Walang kinalaman sa ICC. Pero kung dumating ang ICC warrant, then we will act on it. Okay, but this has nothing to do with the ICC warrant.
At as we speak, wala pong secret or public warrant. Kasi may nagsasabi na iba yun, iba ito.
Again, kung dumating, we will enforce. But as far as we are concerned, wala ba kaming nakikitang clear copy and official copy of the warrant. So for me, it does not stand as official hanggang makuha namin.